Dear student, today I discuss the chapter electromagnetic induction. In this chapter I discuss the new topic and today topic is magnetic flux. Also you read in lower classes, the magnetic flux is a property of magnetic field being the scalar product of two vectors. It is a scalar. Let us consider a plane surface of A and magnetic field, uniform magnetic field that surface are placed in there. So scalar product of that and product of its representation is phi b. So phi b is equal to B dot A. As same definition, the product of magnetic field and surface area is known as the magnetic flux. So phi b is equal to B dot A. So this become phi b is equal to BA cos theta. But in the case first, there is a figure first, perpendicular vector of area vector A and this magnetic field in the place field in the angle is equal to the 0 degree. So here angle is 0 degree between both vectors. So phi b become B into A cos 0. So phi b is equal to B into A. So this is magnetic flux B into A for a case first, for figure first. I hope no problem beta. So this is the magnetic flux for figure 1. Now from figure first also seen phi b is equal to B into A. This is the magnetic flux for figure 1. So in the first second figure, for figure second, in this figure you can see perpendicular vector A is inclined with vector B is theta. So inclination between both vector is theta. So by this reason magnetic flux phi b become by definition B dot A. So this you can write B resolved in two components. One is vertical component and other is horizontal component. So B cos theta perpendicularly A B cos theta. So this becomes BA cos theta. So flux become BA cos theta when lines of force is inclined with the normal is theta degree. So phi b become BA cos theta. Okay, it's unit is Weber in SI. In SI or MKS, and in CGS another unit is Maxwell. And between these two units relation is 1 Weber is equal to 10 to the power 8 Maxwell. The very important relation for competition point of view. So 1 Weber is equal to 10 to the power 8 Maxwell, and its dimension is flux is equal to magnetic flux is equal to B into A. So unit of B Newton per ampere meter into area meter square. So 1 meter square cancel. So this become unit of phi b is equal to phi b become Newton meter upon ampere. But you know Newton, that is kilogram meter per second power minus 2 into meter upon ampere. So phi b become kilogram meter square second power minus 2 ampere or minus 1. So dimension become m L2 t minus 2 8 power minus 1. This is the dimension of magnetic flux. Okay, I hope there is no any problem, beta.